In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make A4 as the default paper size in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word application under the best match and click on the blank document. So here you just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find the layout tab. Okay, so once you find the layout tab, you will find the size option. Choose page size or paper size. Click on this drop down, and then here you just need to simply click on more paper sizes. Now for the paper size, click on this drop down and choose A4. And then here you'll find the option in the left pane set as default. Click on that. Do you want to change the default settings for page setup? So click on yes. And by that time, you have just set the A4 paper size as the default paper size on your Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.